Alright, it's the day before I start this next cutting phase. I think I've decided I'm going to do this reverse dieting, which is basically taking over 20% of your maintenance calories away and then increasing them by 5 to 10% every couple weeks until you're back at maintenance. It seems pretty intuitive and easy. But this past week, I was stressed out and didn't eat much, and I kind of looked at it as like a little test phase. And I think that if I cut dairy, this is going to be really easy because I didn't notice before how much dairy affected how much I ate, but it turns out it's a lot. So I'm excited to do this and get prepared. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should be. I don't know why you're not, because that's where I post everything every single day. I signed up for a Spartan race, and and like an idiot, I didn't really watch many videos on Spartan races. There's a lot of climbing and things that fat people shouldn't be doing or just can't do. Like, I can't climb a rope. I might be able to do monkey bars, but I've never tried it, so I don't know. It's gonna be really hard to do. That's all I gotta say. But I've basically determined that I want to get down to 250, between 250 and 260 by September when the race is. I basically spent the whole week coming to terms with how difficult that's going to be. I think I can do it. If this past week was the most brutal week I've had in a long time, and I think I can do it. I made it through that. I can get through some easy weeks. I just got to be focused and remember why I'm doing what I'm doing. This past week I started running again, and I started some mobility things because I feel like I'm gonna ruin my hips and ankles and all these things. So just trying to keep up with it before it gets out of control and just in pain or injure myself and I can't do this race. So it's gonna be a lot, and I'm ready for it now. I think I spent 4 or 5 days just completely nervous, but I think I'm mentally prepared to take on what's ahead of me. But been doing this lower body mobility, which is for your hips and your knees. I need to find a good upper body mobility routine. So anyways, I'm just sitting here. I just thought I'd start making this video now. I haven't been up long. I'm just drinking coffee. I've been training with my friend that's also doing this with me, and today is our long run, and I'm just getting caffeinated to go do that. It is currently 8:30 in the morning, and I'll probably go out in about an hour and a half and do this run, so I'll see you there. Alright, headed to go for this run finally. It's 10:12 a.m. About to go pick up my buddy. I think he just broke his Olympic ring, so that should be fun for him on this run. Today is a 3/4 mile run, and what he doesn't know is I'm going to surprise him with an extra 1/4 mile after we're done, so it should be fun. See y'all there. Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking do it. You about to see a side of me. I know you've trained with me before, but I haven't had a goal.
Hang on. Too late, you're out of focus too. Alright, just finished this run. The 3/4 mile run with 0.1 mile laps after that for a total of 1.05. My average pace was around, well, my average pace for the long part of the run was 12:30 or 12:40 maybe. And then my 10th mile runs were between 11.5 to 12 minute per mile pace. Headed to the gym right now to go and do some body weight things and to start learning how to climb a rope. I'm not excited about the rope at all, but whatever. I'm gonna do some assisted pull-ups along with some hanging holds, and I will do burpees and modified push-ups today. I'm gonna make today strictly body weight. I'm gonna do barbell strength training twice a week starting on Monday or Tuesday. So I'm gonna make this my main focus, and I'll see you in a second. All right, the workout's done. I did push-ups off the bench. I did hanging holds. I did pull-ups with 2 bands to assist. And then I did a superset of tricep overhead plate raise and dumbbell curls. And now I'm dead. Now I'm gonna go find some food and get some electrolytes in. Maybe take a nap and then see what goes from there. All right. Daisy. No.